Today we're gonna show you 5 mind-blowing video transitions, all using CapCut. So without any more wait, let's begin. Simply add your clips first, then select the second clip. Head over and tap on freeze frame and make it an overlay by clicking on the overlay button. Then trim the extra part and drag the overlay to the end of the first clip. Now select the overlay and remove the background. Then add 2 keyframes in the overlay, one at the beginning and one at the end. Click on the graph and create a custom graph like that. Then go to the first keyframe and drag the picture down like this. Now your cutout character transition is ready. So simply add your clips like that. Then click on this transition box. Then go to mask and select paper ball transition. Finally, your paper ball transition is ready. To create a smooth shake transition, first of all add your clips, then add 2 keyframes, one at the start and the other at the end. Do the same with all of your clips. After doing that, select the first clip's last keyframe and zoom in on your video. Then, select the second clip's first keyframe and zoom in on your video. Repeat the same with all of your videos. Next, go to Effects and add a blur effect. Adjust the duration of the blur effect. Now add 3 keyframes in the blur effect like this. Go to the first keyframe and set the blur strength to 100%. Select the second keyframe and set the blur strength to 40%. Then select the last keyframe and set the blur strength to 0%. Next, go to Object and click on all videos. Then duplicate this effect layer 3 times and apply it to the other clips as well. Now go to the first clip and go to Video Effects, apply the shake effect and adjust the duration of the shake effect. Then add 3 keyframes like this. Go to the first keyframe and set the speed to 100%. Then select last keyframe and set the speed to 0%. Now select the second keyframe and set the intensity to 30%. Then select the last keyframe and set the intensity to 0%. Next, go to Object and select all videos. Now, duplicate the shake effect and apply it to all of your clips. Finally, your smooth shake transition is ready. So simply add your clips like that. Then click on this transition box. Then go to split and select Devour Transition. Finally, your Devour Transition is ready. To add a smooth zoom transition, start by adding your clips. Then select your first clip and add a keyframe at the beginning and another keyframe at the end of the clip. Do the same with all of your clips. Next, select the second keyframe and zoom in on your clip. Repeat this process for all of your clips. After that, select the first clip, go to the graph editor and choose flow 3. Repeat this step for all of your clips. Now that it looks good, let's add a white overlay. Adjust the overlay length. Then go to animation and add fade in and fade out animations. Finally, go to splice, change the blending mode to overlay. And then duplicate the clip. Apply the white overlay to other clips as well. Your smooth zoom transition is ready. Export the video and open the exported video. Then go to motion blur. Set both blur and blend to 100% and change the direction to both. Now your smooth zoom transition is ready.